Hi darlings, I'm coming to you today with an unboxing video of this new HAIRVIVI, y'all. I'm so excited for this wig. Y'all know I'm trying to grow my hair out. I keep cutting it. I can't stop cutting my hair. And I'm a super wig noob. So this is like the first time I get a legit wig. Like the wigs I usually wear are like $30 wigs from like the beauty supply. So this is like really exciting for me. Once you take the box out of your package, it comes in this cute little black box with a ribbon on it. You take that off and boom, there's your wig. So you take that out, you got some crocodile clips in there. This is super newbie friendly. You got your silky soft hair. There's a rat tail comb, and there is also an edge brush. They put some cute little papers on there joining you to the HAIRVIVI family, and they put this cute little paper telling you to tag your stuff to upload to YouTube. Super cute. So the hair in itself, my first impression is that it's super silky. It's super long. I ordered the 20-inch and it turned out to be the perfect length for me. The face scalp was a little too dark for me. You're gonna see later on in the video I put a little foundation on it, but it did eliminate the need for a wig cap. It has the strap, so it is secure to my head, and getting it on, it felt great. It felt like it fit much better than the wigs that I've been wearing thus far. I just tuck in my hair. You guys know my hair is pretty short still, so I just tuck it under there. No need for a wig cap. Now, if you saw that nice hairline, you see this nice length, the hair comes pretty much ready to wear. This hairline looks fantastic. I barely had to do much but cut the lace. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I cut it into 3 sections just because it's better to maneuver. I have had lace fronts before, but they have again been from the beauty supply. I haven't had an expensive wig like this or a human hair wig. So I really didn't want to mess this one up. I just went ahead and clipped the hair back and we cut some lace.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
Now that the lace is cut, we can go ahead and lay down this wig. I think this is not necessarily... Anyway, I think this is not necessarily mandatory. This is the kind of wig that I would throw on one of my lazy days and just throw it on and go. But on those extra days that I feel like, you know, being extra, I could put a little hairspray on the sides just to make sure the sides don't lift up if there's wind or something. And that's pretty much it.
Smoking up, make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up, tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up. Tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Now it's time for some baby hair. If you've noticed, I haven't cut any baby hair into the wig. That's because since I have a tiny forehead, I like to leave some of my own hair out. And that's what you see me laying down. It's not baby hair from the wig, it's my own. If I were to pull the wig up past my baby hair, I'd have absolutely no forehead. So that's what I'm doing right now, just laying down my own baby hair. And I also think that helps blend it in better. If the wig were a different color like blonde, this probably wouldn't work. But for this wig, I bought it in a basic color so I could just grab and go.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
As before mentioned, the fake scalp, even in the lighter color, is still a bit too dark for me. It still looks a little bit fake, so I did go ahead and put in a little bit of foundation just over the top, and that blended it in just fine. That's pretty much it for this review. I do really like the wig, and I will be buying from them again. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Love you, darlings.